Hey gorgeous people! Welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine, your go-to channel for all things fashion, elegance, and glow up on a budget. Dressed, Dine, and Shine emoji. Now tell me, have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, she looks so put together, and then checked the tag on her outfit and nearly fainted? Don't worry, girl, we've all been there. But here's the truth. Looking expensive has nothing to do with how much you spend. It's all about how you style what you already own. So today, I'm spilling all my secret tips. 10 dress styling hacks every girl should know to help you look effortlessly expensive without burning a hole in your pocket. Trust me, after this video, you'll never say, I have nothing to wear again. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive right in. Hashtag hack number 1. Fit is everything. Tailor it like a queen. Let's start with something super simple but game-changing. Your fit. Even the most expensive outfit can look sloppy if it doesn't fit your body right. And even a $500 dress can look designer level if it hugs you perfectly in all the right places. So, here's the rule. Never underestimate the power of tailoring. If your dress is a little loose, boxy, or too long, take it to your local tailor. A little nip here, a tuck there, and boom, it looks like it was made just for you. Pro tip, if you're shopping online and the fit isn't perfect, don't return it immediately. Try belting it, layering it, or taking it for a small alteration. It's those tiny details that make your outfit go from just okay to Pinterest-worthy. Hack number 2. Neutrals equals effortless elegance. Want to know a secret that every fashion stylist swears by? Neutrals. Beige, white, cream, black, taupe, gray. These shades instantly make you look expensive and classy. You'll rarely see a high-end brand showing neon from head to toe. That's because neutral tones create a cohesive, polished look. Try this. Pair a white dress with nude heels and a beige handbag. Minimal, clean, and effortlessly elegant. And the best part, you can mix and match them endlessly. A capsule wardrobe in neutrals saves money, reduces decision fatigue, and still keeps you looking like $1,000,000. Hack number 3. Master the art of layering. Now, let's talk about layering, one of the most underrated style skills. Adding a blazer, a cropped jacket, or even a structured shrug can completely transform your dress. For instance, a simple bodycon dress instantly becomes chic with a tailored blazer and a statement necklace. Styling tip. For casual outings, add a denim jacket or oversized shirt over your dress. For date nights, throw on a cropped leather jacket or a light shawl. For formal settings, a fitted blazer in a neutral shade works wonders. Layering adds depth, structure, and most importantly, sophistication. Hack number 4. Accessorize smartly. Less is luxe. Okay, girls, accessories can make or break your outfit. Seriously. Here's the golden rule. Less is more. Expensive doesn't mean a lot. It means intentional. Instead of stacking tons of jewelry, focus on 1 or 2 standout pieces. A sleek gold chain, pearl earrings, or a minimalist watch can add instant luxury to any look. Bonus tip, match your metals. If you're wearing gold earrings, go with a gold bracelet or belt detail. It keeps your look cohesive and well thought out. Hack number 5. Shoes, the real statement piece. Shoes are your outfit's foundation, quite literally, and they say a lot about your overall style. No matter how beautiful your dress is, if your shoes are worn out or don't match the vibe, the whole look can fall flat. Here's the trick. Invest in 3 to 4 versatile pairs that go with everything. Nude or beige heels, elongate your legs. Classic white sneakers for casual chic looks. Black strappy sandals, date night ready. And neutral ballet flats. Comfort plus class. And girls, keep your shoes clean. Scuffed footwear instantly ruins the expensive vibe. Hack number 6, hair and makeup. Keep it polished, not pricey. Let's be real, your outfit can't shine if your hair and makeup look rushed. You don't need a salon visit to look polished. What you need is neatness. Smooth, shiny hair, a sleek ponytail, or soft curls can elevate any outfit. Keep your makeup simple: a clean base, soft blush, nude lips, and defined brows. Remember, looking expensive is about effortless perfection, not heavy glam. Hack number 6, hair and makeup. Keep it polished, not pricey. Let's be real, your outfit can't shine if your hair and makeup look rushed. You don't need a salon visit to look polished. What you need is neatness. Smooth, shiny hair, a sleek ponytail, or soft curls can elevate any outfit. Keep your makeup simple: a clean base, soft blush, nude lips, and defined brows. Remember, looking expensive is about effortless perfection, not heavy glam. Hack number 8. Confidence plus posture equals instant glow up. This one's free, but worth more than gold. You could be wearing the most basic dress, but if you walk with confidence, shoulders back, head high, girl, you own the room. Confidence changes how your outfit looks and how others see you. Even if you're not feeling it inside, fake it till you make it. Walk tall, smile often, and believe you look stunning, because when you feel expensive, you look expensive. Hack number 9. Fabric and maintenance matter. Let's talk about the fabrics that scream luxury, without the luxury price tag. Linen, cotton, satin, and crepe all look premium if you maintain them well. The trick? Always iron or steam your clothes before wearing them. Wrinkled fabric can make even the best dress look dull. Wash delicate pieces carefully, hang them properly, and avoid overwashing to keep the colors vibrant. A well-maintained wardrobe equals always ready elegance. And hack number 10, add personal touches. Style is self-expression. And finally, the most important hack of all, make it yours. Looking expensive isn't just about copying trends, it's about expressing your personality. Maybe it's the way you tie your scarf, the confidence in your walk, or your signature lipstick shade. That's your unique brand of beauty. You don't have to look like everyone else on Instagram. True elegance is about owning your individuality. Star bonus section, quick do's and don'ts. Before we wrap up, let's do a lightning round of quick style do's and don'ts. Do, keep your nails clean and neat. Smell fresh. Light perfume or body mist does wonders. Declutter your wardrobe regularly. Invest in good undergarments, they change your outfit silhouette. Don't over-accessorize, wear wrinkled clothes, mix too many prints or textures at once. Forget to smile. Because trust me, a smile is the most luxurious accessory you can wear. And that's it, beautiful people. Star. Those were my 10 dress styling hacks every girl should know to help you look expensive without spending like it. Dancing woman. Remember, it's not about the brand. It's about the confidence and care you put into your style. So next time you open your wardrobe, think of how you can make your outfit shine brighter, just like you. If you love these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another glow-up guide. And I'd love to know in the comments, which of these hacks are you going to try first? Or do you have your own budget styling secret? Share it below. I might feature your tip in my next video. Until next time, keep dressing with confidence, dining with joy, and shining from within. Star.